So, good afternoon, everyone. This is a small but a very effective YouTube video about a topic that most of us face troubles in, but still we out of some things out we don't want to say that we are facing troubles in that it might look a bit about your own domain knowledge. Also we are talking about the GitHub. So just before talking about the GitHub, what I have built, as you can see, just let me give you a small scenario of how my GitHub looks like. So this is my GitHub. This is how the GitHub overview things looks like for me. And as you can see, this is how my GitHub looks like. And I also want the people who are watching this video to look their GitHub profile like this. So GitHub is a thing. It is a kind of uh, Wikipedia, or you can say a very natural conversational platform for the developers, where they push and pull out their codes, can extract the code from the others profile. Those are publicly available, use them, start them, rate them, whatever they want to do. They get all the kind of the sources from the GitHub itself. So most of the people that I have met or I have talked about, they are unable to, or they face troubles while pushing their code into the GitHub, creating a GitHub account, or keeping all of those GitHub commands into the minds, making them very hard for them to remember. So this is a small web application that I have created as a GitHub documentation. You can see there are three guides: web guide, terminal guide, and the Git reference. So the web guide is basically the steps you need to follow while you are, if you are new to the GitHub, you can follow the web guide, how what GitHub is, how to install the GitHub, whatever the things you are required, step by step. It will just tell you how to open the GitHub account, how to access the GitHub, how to create repositories, push pull the commands and everything. After that, we have the terminal guide. So in the terminal guide, it consists of the terminal commands, that CLI commands, you can say, I prefer to say the CLI command, the push, put, git, authentication, logged in, and the features are every command that you need to use for creating a certain GitHub repo and extracting data from it. So this is how it is. You can see the direct manual also, you will get it from here. GitHub reference manual, CLI community discussion books, every details you can get directly from their pro GitHub. Every details you are getting directly from your, you don't have to search into the Google for everything. And after that, there is the Git reference. So in the Git reference, you can see it consists of all the kinds of the codes. The codes are there, what it say, how it is done. There is a CLI tool also that literally shows you the how the Git functions are being done. So this is like an encyclopedia for the GitHub, for the developers who are willing to do perform or keep the GitHub directly into the back of their brain. If anyone of you that does know the developers who are suffering from keeping the GitHub into back of their brain, they can directly connect me or comment in the YouTube video comment section. If you like this video, find it educational, share it among your friends, and let me know in the comment section what in the next video I should create for you. Thank you and have a good day.